Juggling too many important tickets? Let's look at how to pin a ticket. When you log into HappyFox, you'll immediately notice each ticket has a small pin icon. Clicking this icon does exactly what it sounds like. You're pinning that ticket. Think of it like creating a quick bookmark for easy access. So if you have some truly important items you need to keep a close eye on throughout your day, simply pin them. They'll then appear conveniently on the pin bar, located on the right-hand side. Now, if you're already deep into a ticket's details page, don't worry. You'll find that same pin icon available over here on the left as well. The pin bar gives you a concise preview of all your pinned tickets. For each one, you'll see the subject line, the contact who raised it, and crucially, when it was last updated. You'll also notice some helpful color indicators. A red dot means the last response was by the contact, and the system is awaiting a response from an agent. A blue dot indicates an update by another agent. A gray dot signifies the ticket was last updated by an agent. A red exclamation mark icon is a critical alert, indicating that your pinned ticket has unfortunately experienced an SLA breach. To quickly view any pinned ticket, simply select it directly from the pin bar. This will instantly open up the full ticket details page. When you're done with the ticket and no longer need it pinned, unpinning it is just as easy. Simply click the pin icon again. Or from the pin bar itself, just select the cross icon to the right. You can even unpin tickets in bulk. Navigate to the bottom of the pin bar where you can either unpin all the tickets or just the closed tickets. This will help you to constantly clear your pin bar and keep it current and relevant.